Do you want to know how to quickly get a house? This house will absolutely blow your mind. Don't blink. This folding container house can be unfolded in just a few minutes. Look, it's 5.8 meters long, 2.48 meters wide, and 2.5 meters tall. You might be concerned about safety, but you're worrying unnecessarily. It comes standard with one door and two windows, which not only beautiful, but also provides excellent security. And the framework of the house is made of steel structure, which can effectively resist wind and earthquakes. The wall panels use a great fireproof rock wool boards, providing fireproof, heat insulation, and soundproofing effects. Look here, we can pre-install electrical circuits and sockets according to your requirements. So you just need to connect the power supply to start using it.
Nice.
So, do you want to know how it achieves folding? It's because of this hinge. The surface is made of hot-dip galvanized material, and the center part is made of stainless steel. Even if you fold them thousands of times, there will be no problems, whether you use it as a residence, office, dormitory, school, hospital, hotel, etc. It is very suitable. Would you like to move in? Please contact me.